Hello there, this is lesson 15. Welcome back to One Body Creole, lesson 15, Haitian Creole 101. This is a text. I wrote the text. It displays the history of Haitian Creole, and it's going to be a poem, right? We're going to see that together. We're going to read the text. At the end, we'll have some questions for you about the text. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's do it. Istwa Kreyòl Ayisyen, Nan Yon Powèm. Istwa Kreyòl Ayisyen, Nan Yon Powèm. You ready to read it? Now that was the title. Let's go to the text right now. Yo fin bam nesans, yo di mpa gen sens. Yo pavle bam ed, yo di gad jam led. Yo lot pitit vini, la vi pam fini. Nou vle semble ak blanc, nou bay zafen ban. Let's go back and say this one again because the text continue, I believe, in the next two slides. It's kind of a long text. Let's go back to the title. Istwa Kreyòl Ayisyen, Nan Yon Powèm. This is the story of the Haitian Creole in a poem. That's what the title says. Now, number one. Yo fin bam nesans, yo di mpa gen sens. Yo pavle bam ed, yo di gad jam led. Number two. Yon lot pitit vini, la vi pam fini. Nou vle semble ak blanc, nou bay zafen ban. Now, let's translate that for you. Number one. Yo fin bam nesans, yo di mpa gen sens. They gave birth to me, and they say that I was meaningless. Yo pavle bam ed, they don't want to give me any help. Yo di gad jam led, they say, oh, how ugly you are. Number two. Yo lot pitit vini, another child comes. La vi pam fini, my life ends. Nou vle semble ak blanc, we want to look like the colonialist. Nou bay zafen ban, and our own things we put on the bench. Our own things. In other words, if you follow sports, putting on the bench means you don't use our own things. That's what it means. Alright? So we're going to continue with the text in the next slide. Let's do it.